Gravity second level. A 30 g ball is thrown vertically upwards. It reaches the height 5 m. With that velocity, the ball was thrown. Answer 9.9 meters per second. Next, acceleration due to gravity on the earth is 6 times of the acceleration due to gravity on the moon, or the densities of the earth and moon respectively. If the ratio of density is 5/3, then calculate the Rm and in the terms of Re. Answer 5/18. Next, what happens when a body is taken to moon from earth? Answer, its mass will remain the same, but there will be a change in the weight. Next, what will happen to the gravitational attraction between two masses if the distance between them is doubled? Answer, it reduces to a quarter. Next, at which place on the earth the intensity of earth's gravitational field is maximum? Answer, at poles. Next, when an object is transferred from earth to moon? Answer, its mass remains unchanged. Next, the value of acceleration due to gravity. Answer, is greater at the poles than at the equator. Next, if the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is g, then the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of a planet whose mass is half of that of earth and radius is same as that of the earth is. Answer, g/2. Next, the gravitational force of attraction between two bodies is dash the distance between the two bodies. Answer, inversely proportional to the square of. Next, as an object falls freely, its answer potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. Next, the man climbing a mountain leans forward. Answer, to increase stability. Next, what is the escape velocity on the surface of the moon? Answer, 2.3 km per second. Next, which of the following helps keep Earth's atmosphere in place? Answer, gravitational force of Earth. Next, acceleration due to gravity is maximum at answer poles. Next, if suddenly the gravitational force of attraction between the earth and a moon becomes zero, then the moon will answer move tangentially to the original orbit in the same velocity. Next, when a ball is thrown up, the gravitational force of the ball is answer opposite to the direction of motion. Next, the total energy of freely falling object answer remains same. Next, the gravitational force of attraction between two bodies is dash the product of their masses. Answer, directly proportional to. Next, the magnitude of the gravitational force will be equal to the dash product of mass and acceleration due to the gravitational force. Next, who was the first to experimentally determine the value of the universal gravitational constant? Answer, Henry Cavendish. Next, the value of acceleration due to gravity does not depend upon answer mass of the falling object m. What is the approximate terminal velocity of the skydiver freely falling with parachute in unopened condition? 200 km per hour. Next, at which point of earth is there no gravity? Answer, at center of the earth. Next, acceleration due to gravity of substance depends upon its answer size, shape, mass. None of these. Which of the following statements is not true? The SI unit of weight is kg. Next, which power plant works on the basis of gravity of earth? Answer, hydropower. Next, when a body is taken from the equator to the north and south poles, then its weight answer increases. Magnetism. The current carrying coil containing dash is considered an electromagnet. Answer, soft iron core. Next, what is the force of attraction at the center of the magnet? Answer, 0. Next, the freely suspended magnetic needle always points in the which direction? Answer, north-south direction. Next, in which of the following situations all the magnetic materials lost their magnetic properties? Answer, when they are strongly heated. Next, which part of the magnet has the least magnetic power? Answer, in the middle. And next, what is the direction of magnetic field lines outside a magnet? Answer, north pole to south pole. Next, which among the following is an example of ferromagnetic substance? Answer, iron. Next, a freely suspended magnet always aligns in the dash direction. Answer, north-south. Next, which of the following is not a magnetic material? Answer, wood. Next, a natural magnet is an ore of which of following chemical compound? Answer, iron oxide. Next, the current carrying coil containing dash is considered an electromagnet. Answer, soft iron core. Next, which of the following is a semiconductor? Answer, germanium. Next, a freely suspended bar magnet will always rest in north-south direction. Next, what is the force of attraction at the center of the magnet? Answer, 0. Next, an electromagnet is made up of soft iron. Next, Maxwell is the unit of which one of the following? Answer, magnetic flux. Next, the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is dash. Answer, the current induced in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. Next, when a soft iron piece is inserted to the solenoid, what will happen to the strength of the magnetic field? Answer, increases. Next, when the direction of motion of coil is perpendicular to the electromagnetic field, then the value of induced current is? Answer, maximum. Next, a rectangular coil of copper wire is rotating in a magnetic field. The direction of induced current changes once in each. Answer, half revolution. Next, when an electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a? Answer, magnet. Next, the line joining the places of zero dip is known as? Answer, a clinic line. Next, while moving from one end to another end inside a solenoid, its magnetic field? Answer, remains same. Next, magnetic field inside a solenoid is? Answer, uniform. Next, in Fleming's left rule, the middle finger represents? Answer, direction of current flowing through the conductor. Next, why the transformer core is laminated? Answer, to reduce eddy current losses. Next, the core of an electromagnet is made of? Answer, soft iron. Next, the magnetic field is the strongest at? Answer, north pole and south pole. Next, who discovered the relationship between electric current and magnetic field? Answer, H.C. Oersted. Next, 1 Tesla equals to 10 power 4 Gauss. Next, which of the following statement is not true for the magnetic lines? Answer, the tangent at any point gives the direction of the magnetic force at the point. Next, which of the following gives the direction of force acting on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field? Answer, Fleming's left hand rule. Next, which of the following is an example of natural magnet? Answer, magnetite of lodestone. Next, a cyclotron is used to accelerate? Answer, ions. Next, ultrasonic waves are produced by making use of? Answer, piezoelectric material. Next, a positively charged particle projected towards the west is deflected towards the north by a magnetic field. What is the direction of magnetic field? Answer, upwards. Next, when do the magnets lose their properties? Answer, on heating, hammering, on dropping from some height. Answer, all options are correct. Next, which of the following property of a proton cannot change while it moves freely in magnetic field? Answer, speed. Next, a magnet attracts fillings made of, answer, iron and steel. Next, which of the following facts is not correct about magnets? Answer, attraction is a surety test of magnetism. Next, which one of following material is not diamagnetic at standard temperature and pressure? Answer, iron. Next, material is the superconducting state is, answer, diamagnetic. Next, diamagnetic substances are the ones in which the resultant magnetic moment in an atom is, answer, 0. Next, the power of retaining magnetism even after the removal of magnetizing force is called, answer, retentivity. Next, Earth's magnetism is due to, answer, dynamo effect. Next, if soft iron is used as a core in solenoid, then it is called, answer, electromagnet. Next, which of the following statement is correct with respect to the moon's magnetism? Answer, moon has no magnetic field. Next, at room temperature, the substances which retain their ferromagnetic property for a long period of time are called, answer, permanent magnet. Next, which of the following magnetic property of material is said to be universal property? Answer, diamagnetism. Next, the first electromagnetic telegraph was built by, answer, Carl Friedrich Gauss and Wilhelm Weber. Waves, first level. Where amongst the following would sound travel fastest? Answer, solid. Next, the unit of measurement of noise is, answer, decibel. Next, the time taken by a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Next, the ozone layer of atmosphere protects us from ultraviolet. Next, the sound waves in the human audible range have the frequencies in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. What is the correct relationship between frequency and time period of a wave? Answer, F into T is equal to 1. Next, what is the range of frequencies of sound waves audible to the human beings? 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Next, which instrument is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake? Answer, seismograph. Next, the average audible range of adult human being is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Next, the frequency range of audible waves. Answer, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Next, sound wave having frequency less than 20 Hz are called dash waves. Answer, infrasonic waves. Next, the waves which can propagate then through the vacuum are called, answer, electromagnetic waves. Sound cannot travel through, answer, vacuum. Which of the following creatures use ultrasonic sound to catch their prey? Answer, bats. Next, in a progressive wave, what is the phase difference between two points whose phases are opposite? Answer, 180. Next, noise pollution is measured in, answer, decibel. The speed of sound is maximum is in, answer, solid. Next, what is the speed of light in air? Answer, 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Next, what is the value of a sound wave called? Answer, trough. Next, the audible frequency range of human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Next, what is the following is not a characteristics of wave? Answer, medium. Next, sky appears blue due to scattering. Which of the following units is used for the measurement of luminous intensity? Answer, candela. Next, in which medium does sound travel faster? Answer, solid. Next, an ultrasonic sound wave has high frequency higher than, answer, 20,000 Hz. Next, the waves include visible light waves, X-rays, gamma rays, radio waves, microwaves, ultraviolet and infrared waves. Answer, electromagnetic. Next, the splitting of white light into its component colors is called. Answer, dispersion. Next, what makes sky looks blue? Answer, as the wavelength is low, blue color scattering is easy. Through which of the following mediums do sound waves travel fastest at particular temperature? Answer, solid. The sound produced by a bat is, answer, ultrasonic. An apparatus used for location submerged objects is known as, answer, sonar. Next, sound cannot travel through vacuum. Next, which of the following characteristics of sound measured in Hertz? Answer, frequency of sound. Next, a cut diamond shines brilliantly due to, answer, total internal reflection. Next, the color of sky is dash astronaut will see in space. Answer, black. Next, sound travels fastest through, answer, still. Next, speed of sound is maximum in, answer, solids. Next, what is the minimum distance required to hear an echo? Answer, 17. Next, light waves are, answer, electromagnetic waves. Next, which among the following determines the pitch of a sound? Answer, frequency. Next, sounds of frequencies below 20 Hz are called, answer, infrasonic sound. Next, light is a dash wave. Answer, transverse wave. Next, sonar is based on the principle of echo. Next, what should be in the minimum distance between the observer and the reflector in order to hear an echo? Answer, 17.2 m. Next, sound wave has the maximum speed in which among the following? Answer, solids. Next, a sound wave will travel the fastest in which of these mediums? Answer, rock. What is the phenomenon that occurs when two waves overlap with each other? Answer, superposition. Next, what is the minimum distance to hear an echo? Answer, 17 meters. Next, what is the formula for frequency? Answer, 1 by covered period. Next, velocity of sound is highest in which of the following media? Answer, solids. Next, the most rapid movement of sound waves is, answer, in solid. Next, the audible range of frequency of human ear is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Next, dash are also known as heat waves. Answer, infrared waves. Next, cathode rays are a beam of, answer, electrons. Sound will have the highest velocity in, answer, steel. Next, which of the following has the lowest frequency? Answer, visible light. Next, the instrument used to study loss of vibrating string is, answer, sonometer. Next, what is the distance between a crest and a consecutive trough in a transverse wave? Answer, half of the wavelength. Next, which of the following is not a property of X-rays? Answer, X-rays does not show the photoelectric effect. Answer, when a sound wave goes from one medium to another, which of the following quantity remains unchanged? Answer, frequency. Which type of sound waves can propagate in solids? Answer, either longitudinal or transverse. Next, loudness of sound depends upon which of the following? Answer, amplitude. Next, a sonar. How many types of mechanical waves are there? Answer, 3. Next, which of the following wave cannot propagate in a vacuum? Answer, ultrasonic waves. Next, which of the following electromagnetic waves can be detected using point contact bodies? Answer, microwaves. Next, wavelength is infrared waves is smaller than, answer, radio waves. Next, which of the following electromagnetic waves can be detected using Jaeger tubes? Answer, gamma rays. Next, which of the following wave types is an example of waves produced by moving motorboat on the surface of the water? Answer, both longitudinal and transversal. Next, an antinode on a wave is the point at which dash, answer, amplitude is maximum. Next, a sound appears faint or loud due to, answer, intensity of sound. Next, the guitar works on the principle of answer resonance of sound. Next, which of the following electromagnetic waves can be detected using thermophiles? Answer infrared waves. Next, sound produced by the volcanic eruption is an example of dash sound. Answer infrasonic. Next, in the context of energy in India, which of following place was most prototype of wave energy project installed? Answer Vizhinjam. Vizhinjam. This is the spelling. Next, a body traveling with a speed more than velocity of sound in air is said to be answer supersonic. Next, the waves which can travel in the metals are answer transverse wave and longitudinal wave. Next, the transmitter is a sonar technique produces dash answer ultrasonic waves. Next, which of the following waves are used by the common TV remote control? Answer infrared waves. Next, colors seen in a soap bubble are due to answer interference. Next, which of the following is an electromagnetic wave? Answer infrared rays. Next, loudness of sound varies directly with vibrating bodies dash answer amplitude. Next, what happens when a sound wave travels through a medium? Answer energy is transferred from one place to another. Next, rainbow is formed due to combination of dash answer reflection, refraction and dispersion of light in water droplets. Next, sound travels through air and reaches our ears to give us dash sensation of sound. Next, vibration of which among the following produces only odd harmonics? Answer an air column in a closed organ pipe. Next, the range of wavelength of audible sound waves in air is 16.5 mm to 16.5 m. Next, a periscope works on the principle of answer reflection. Next, the radiation used in the treatment of muscle ache is answer infrared. Next topic, optics. The SI unit of power of lens is answer dioptre, spelling dioptre. Next, what type of mirror is used as a rear field view mirror in the automobiles? Answer convex. Next, when light passes from one medium to another, then they change its direction. The phenomenon is called answer refraction. Next, optical fiber works on the principle of answer total internal reflection. Next, the side mirrors of vehicles are of which types of mirrors? Answer convex. Next, sparkling of diamond is due to the which of the following phenomenon? Answer total internal reflection. Next, optical fiber works on the principle of answer total internal reflection. Next, convex and concave mirrors are examples of answer spherical mirrors. Next, speed of light is maximum in dash answer vacuum. Next, a dash splits sunlight into 7 colors. Answer prism. Next, what is the SI unit of power of lens? Answer dioptre, dioptre. Next, which of the following mirror size of an image formed in the always equal to the size of the object? Answer plane mirror. Next, dioptre is the unit of answer power of lens. Next, which are the primary colors? Answer red, green, blue. Next, which apparatus is used to locate objects submerged under water? Answer sonar. Next, when a ray of light passes through a prism, it splits into the constituent colors. This phenomenon is called answer dispersion of light. Next, twinkling of stars is mainly due to which phenomenon? Answer refraction. Next, dentists use which types of mirrors to view enlarged images of teeth? Answer concave mirror. Next, the phenomenon used in optical fiber for transmission of light energy is answer total internal reflection. Next, the power of lens is measured in answer dioptre. Next, which is optical illusion? Answer mirage, mirage. which type of mirror is used by next myopia is a defect of eyes which is also known as answer nearsightedness. Next the last distance of distinct vision is answer 25 cm. Next a mirage is formed because of which of the following phenomenon? Answer refraction and total internal reflection. Next a stone lying on the bottom of the pond appears to be at a higher point that it is actually due to the phenomena of answer refraction of light. Next mirage occurs due to which light phenomenon? Answer total internal reflection and refraction of light. Next the working of optical fiber, which of the following phenomenon? Answer total internal reflection. Next the least distance of vision for a normal eye is 25 cm. Next the phenomenon of light splitting into 7 distinct colors when it passes through a prism is answer dispersion. Next which type of mirror used by dentists to see large images of teeth? Answer concave. Next the least distance of distinct vision for a normal adult human eye is answer 25 cm. Next among the following is used to transmit data in optical fiber? Answer light. Next because of which phenomenon lemon kept in water in a glass tumbler appears in the bigger than its actual size? Answer refraction of light. Next what is the number of oscillations per second called? Answer frequency. Next which mirror is used by doctor to examine the eyes, ears, nose and throat? Answer concave. The mirror is used in automobiles to see rear field of view is dash mirror? Answer convex. Next splitting of white light into 7 colors due to answer dispersion. Which type of mirror is used in headlights? Answer concave mirror. Next the cracked part of a glass appears to be brightened due to dash? Answer total internal reflection. Next rainbow is formed as a result of answer total internal reflection, refraction, dispersion. Next dash mirror is used as a shaving mirror? Answer concave mirror. Next which of the following is the refractive index for water? Answer 1.33. Next mirror used by dentist to see images of teeth of patients is answer concave mirror. Absolute refractive index of diamond is answer 2.42. Next a star appears twinkling in the sky because of answer refraction of light by atmosphere. Next the bending of light when it passes around a corner or a slit is due to answer diffraction. Next what is the reason for formation of mirage in desert? Answer both refraction, total internal reflection of light. Next the pond appears shallower from its real depth due to answer refraction. Next spectacles used for viewing 3D films have answer polaroids. Next which of the following phenomena shows particle nature of light? Answer photoelectric effect. Next which one of among following waves carries the minimum energy per photon? Answer radio waves. The impression of image passes on the retina for about dash of a second. Answer 1/16th. Next which phenomenon showed particle nature of light? Answer photoelectric effect. Next the focal length of a mirror is dash? Answer infinity. Next which of the following focal length of lens will be needed to make a lens of power 1D? Answer 100 cm. Next the colors of rainbow formed by answer dispersion. Next which type of mirror always forms an erect and visual image? Answer convex. Next myopia is due to answer elongation of eyeball. Next what type of lenses used in movie projectors? Answer convex. Next the bluish color of water in deep sea due to scattering of light. Next a periscope works on the principle of dash of light? Answer reflection of light. Next a substance which allows some light to pass through is called dash? Answer translucent. Next which of the following lenses are used in projectors? Answer convex. Crown glass has refractive index of dash? Answer 1.52. Next the term Askaryan effect is associated with which functional area of science? Answer, physics. Image formed by the plane mirror is always. Answer, visual and erect. Next, in which of following defects of human eye the image is formed behind the retina? Answer, hypermetropia. Next, which of following phenomenon are responsible for formation of rainbow in the sky? Answer, reflection, diffraction, dispersion. Next, what phenomenon is responsible for twinkling of stars? Answer, refraction. A non-spherical shining spoon can be considered as a answer, plane mirror.